A pregnant 16-year-old in North Florida may be forced to give birth after an appeals court ruled just this week she is not, quote, mature enough to get an abortion.
This has become the latest flashpoint in a state divided over access to abortions. West 2's Marlene Martinez spoke with abortion rights supporters and opponents who weighed in on the ruling.
Monday, an appeals court in North Florida issued this decision, saying the pregnant teenager was not, quote, mature enough to decide whether to terminate her pregnancy. This comes after the teen initially went to an Escambia County Circuit judge last week, 10 weeks pregnant, saying she is not ready to have a baby, doesn't have a job, is still in school, and the father is unable to help her.
In Florida, people under 18 need written consent from a parent or legal guardian to get an abortion. The young woman doesn't have parents, so she's asking the court to bypass that requirement.
But the first judge denied her request, and the appellate court sided with that initial judge. Later Wednesday,
we will not back down.
The Florida Democrats voiced their outrage.
So she's not mature enough to say, I'm not ready to parent, but apparently she's mature enough to be forced to give birth. And that is the anti-freedom reality of Florida.
Democratic State Representative Anna Escamani calls this the latest move in a state where Republicans are further restricting reproductive rights. In April, Governor Ron DeSantis signed a 15-week abortion ban into law. And earlier this month, he suspended a state attorney who vowed he would not criminalize women who seek abortions.
Our governor calls us the freest state in the union, and yet we are taking away the freedoms of our constituents through these policies.
In Orlando, Marlene Martinez, West 2 News.
Now, we have reached out to Governor Ron DeSantis' office today for his response. We have not yet heard back.